A couple people asked me about this ported CS 590, so I figured I'd rip it a little bit. I found my tachometer, so I'll make a couple cuts, get the saw warmed up really good, and then we will put the tack on it and see what I'm getting for power. Got the sniffles this morning. Oh, what did I do? Alright, let me get the cover off and we'll put the tack on it. I'll bring you in a little closer and we'll take a peek and see what I'm getting. The RPMs. Up out of the way. I wanted to get it good and warmed up. First, I'm going to bring you guys in as close as I can. I don't have any way to really hold this. I think I'm going to set it on a log over here. I still got the cover over the top of this. There we go. That'll be a little easier to see. We'll put that around there. See what we end up with. Let me move you around.